Most research is too slow, too messy, and way too reactive. By the time companies finally get insights, their competitors have already moved. That is a problem. AI is changing how we do research, not by replacing thinking, but by cutting through the noise so humans can make smarter calls faster. The companies that are still doing research like this, they're already behind. Today I'm going to show you how we use AI to surface trends, eliminate the grunt work, and turn research into real decision-making intelligence. The first mistake companies make? They let AI run research instead of using AI to enhance research. It's not a researcher. It's a tool that can process, organize, and flag signals faster. But humans still need to steer the ship. Here's how we start each research project the right way. First, we record everything, not just for documentation. AI picks up on things humans miss. We use Firefly's AI. Next, we structure what we already know. AI organizes findings into 3 categories: knowns, unknowns, and assumptions. This prevents research from being a free-for-all and keeps us focused on filling in the gaps, not relearning what we already know. Finally, we define what actually matters. AI can find patterns, but not all patterns matter. This is where researchers decide what to prioritize. AI can tag themes, but it can't tell you what matters. That's why we gut check AI findings against real human conversations, because insights live in nuance, not just in keywords. AI can get to the data faster, but if you let it drive decision-making, you're not doing research, you're just analyzing noise. Finally, we make AI research actionable. Too often, research findings languish in unread reports. AI changes that by structuring insights into dashboards, summaries, and alerts. Yet the human touch is critical. We frame these insights for action, not just documentation. So let's recap what AI does best. Process massive data sets in seconds, organizes messy insights into structured reports, flags trends before they become obvious. What about humans? We think critically about what matters, frame research so it leads to action, and we challenge assumptions and find the unexpected. It's to make better moves, faster and with more confidence, so that you can be successful. This is the future of research. Not static reports, not outdated market analysis, but real-time AI-powered intelligence that drives decisions.